How to add CTS macro into Microsoft Word. Before Microsoft Word can merge a pattern file in the data, first define a macro that is used by CTS to merge forms and reports. This macro is called CTS Word M. The macro setup in CTS you may find in the blue menu button next to Docket in CTS. Expand the menu and select the Microsoft Word macro. Click on the link Microsoft Word 2003/2007/2010/2013 macro and copy the text starting with active mail merge, through, and with. To define the macro, start Microsoft Word and start a new document. Go to View, Macros, View Macros. If CTS Word M is not on the list, you will need to create. Type CTS Word M and click Create. On the new window, paste the copied text above the line N sub. Now click the File menu, then click Save Normal. This completes creating the CTS Word M macro. Now close all Word windows and open Word again. Open a blank document. Click on File. Click on Options. Click on Trust Center. Click Trust Center Settings. In the Macro Settings, make sure that Enable All Macros is selected. In the Trusted Locations tab, make sure to add the location for the Forms folder of CTS. Click on Add New Location. Browse to your CTS Forms folder. Select the Forms folder. Click OK. Click on the checkbox. Subfolders of this location are also trusted. Click OK and close Word. Open Word again. Click View. Click Macro. Click View Macros and the CTS Word M macro should be on the available macro list. Now you are able to run and print forms, letters, and reports from FlexTrac CTS.